Hi all, welcome back to GTL Labs YouTube channel. Today we are discussing RMAs. RMA stands for Return Material Authorizations. Why are RMAs important? In any business that involves product deliveries, returns are inevitable. RMAs help companies efficiently manage product returns and ensure a smooth refund process. Without a proper RMA process, companies may face mismanaged stock, financial losses, and poor customer experiences. Having an organized approach saves the time and enhances the operational efficiency. Common practical scenarios for RMAs. RMAs are frequently used when a customer receives damaged or defective goods and requests a replacement, a customer orders the wrong item and needs to return it, a company issues a recall for a faulty product and needs to track returned units, items are delivered incorrectly due to order processing errors. Now let's move on to how to create and process RMAs in the system. There are two types of RMAs. The first one is dedicated to a specific customer order. The other one is not linked to any particular customer order. We will see how to create both of these RMAs and how to process them. First, I'm going to create a dedicated customer order RMA. As you can see, I have 3 customer orders delivered to the same customer. Now, I'm going to select one of these customer order lines. Using the RMA command button, I can create a RMA. I have to provide a return reason here. Now my RMA has been created. By selecting the line and using this command button, I can view my RMA lines. Using the details button, you can go to the created RMA. At the moment, my RMA is in planned status, so I can add more lines to it. Let's see how to add more lines. Although I have multiple customer orders, I can only add lines that belongs to the same customer order. Here, I am adding another line from the same customer order. But I cannot add the rest of the customer order lines here. The reason is that the order number is fetched at the header level of this RMA. Therefore, I can only add customer order lines related to this specific order. Now, I am going to click the plus button and create an RMA manually. I can create this for my customer. In this case, I can press the plus button and add any customer order lines that I have delivered to this customer. If needed, I can specify the order here. You can see multiple orders listed. I can select from any of these customer orders. Now I am going to release this RMA. If you need to approve this RMA for credit, you can do so using the Operations button. Once the RMA is released, you can proceed with receiving it. To do this, select the RMA number and go to the Register Arrival. Once you are in Register Arrival, use the RMA number to query it. By selecting the line, you have 2 options. Receive. Receive parts against order deliveries. Here, I am going to choose Receive parts against order deliveries. Since my order number has already been provided, I don't need to enter it again here. Using the Assist page, I can modify the return quantity if needed and specify a location number. Now my RMA has been received. Now you can see the status has changed to Return Completed. Using the Create Credit Invoice button, you can generate a credit invoice. Now my return is completed and invoiced. If you want to see the created credit invoice, go to the connected customer order. Using the invoice button, navigate to invoice info. Here you can see both the debit invoice and the credit invoice. The credit invoice is for your RMA. If you scroll right, you will see that the RMA number has been fetched here. An efficient RMA process helps companies streamline operations, reduce revenue losses, and enhance customer trust. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to GTL Labs for more content like this. Do you have any thoughts or questions? Please share them in the comment section. We would love to hear from you.